Hello, today we will guide you through how to use breaker blocks with Signals LuxAlgo. To get started, open LuxAlgo in your browser. This is where you'll access the platform's library and locate the specific tool you want to use. Once the site has loaded, take a moment to make sure you're on the main LuxAlgo page so the navigation options are visible. Next, look toward the top right area of the screen and click on Library. This section is where LuxAlgo organizes its available tools, scripts, and resources, so it's the right place to go when you want to find a specific indicator or feature. If you don't see it immediately, just scan the top navigation bar carefully. After the library page opens, move to the search field and type in breaker blocks with signals. Be sure to enter the name clearly so the search results are as accurate as possible. Using the exact title helps reduce clutter and makes it easier to find the correct listing without confusion. Once the results appear, look through them for breaker blocks with signals. At this point, it's helpful to slow down and confirm you've selected the correct item, especially if there are similar sounding tools in the library. Matching the title exactly is the best way to avoid opening the wrong script. When you found breaker blocks with signals, click on it to open its dedicated page. This is where you can view the tool directly and access the options needed to continue. Opening the item page is important because the next actions are typically only available from there. On that page, click on Get Access. This step gives you permission to use the tool within the platform. Depending on your setup, the page may refresh or update slightly after you select it, so give it a second if needed. A stable internet connection can also help the process go smoothly. Finally, click on Use on Chart. This will apply breaker blocks with signals to your chart so you can begin working with it immediately. Once it loads, you should see the tool active in your charting workspace. As a quick tip, if anything doesn't appear right away, try waiting a moment or refreshing the page before repeating the action. That can often resolve minor loading delays. And that's it. You've successfully found, accessed, and added breaker blocks with signals in LuxAlgo.